those who are finding difficult to log in here and those who are not receiving ads, this is the way you can solve your problem. First click on this three dots, go to history, clear browsing data, all time, then all time, clear data, clear. This way your data will be cleared, history will be cleared in this. Then again go to this, that file you can see, that is cookies. Click on this, remove all this unwanted this, then your data, the space will become in your mobile. Now then you can click on here, go to login, viewer. Now I am logging in the some of my friend ID. Now says your ID is not coming. What you have to do? There is one more option. If you are in your mobile, there is so many data. Maybe in your mobile space is full. So what you have to do? Go in your mobile, remove all the unwanted apps that is stored in your mobile. Remove, clear it out. Remove it from your disk, uninstall it. Or if many photos are there unwanted, you can remove. If any old photos are there which are not useful, you can remove it and clear space. As soon as you clear space in your mobile, then the ads will come in your mobile. Then you can, there is one more option. If your ads are not coming, go to this country. You write again India. Then you can the city is Mumbai, so you can choose the Mumbai. You want to receive email communication, click on this black button, then all mails will come from here, and then you can do the save. Still you find that the ads are not coming, then you go to interest, edit interest. You can make less or more, and again click on OK. This way the ads will come to you. Now see, ads are coming for me. There is one more option. Now one more important information is that if you want to find where are your registered users, go and click on register. You can see down here all your whichever person advertiser that you have sponsored, it will be shown here. How many sponsorship persons you have taken, all will be shown down. And one more important information is that refer friend. Don't give this link to anyone. If you give this link to anyone, then you will be registered only in here, and JALife you are not registered. So don't click this refer friend and then don't send to anyone. Then that person will be registered only in here. He will not be registered in JALife. So always remember, never send this refer friend to anyone. If you want to advertise, if you want to bring advertisers in your system, you want a new advertiser to come in your system and give ads, you can click on invite friend advertiser, copy this link and send to the advertiser. Then the advertiser will register, and if he registers and he gives ads in the system, then you will getting commission on this. So this is also a part, this is a good earning where you can bring advertisers in the system, and whatever advertiser come, then you will see the amount of commission down, whatever, if anyone advertiser come in the system. Now one more, if you are finding here, if you want to communicate with here, so you can go on help. When you go on help, you'll ask you whether you want in English or Hindi. Yeah, you click yes, then you'll ask whether you want in English or in any other language. If you want English, then you can this OK. Then he'll give you all the then he'll give you whatever area that you are finding difficult. There are many options that are given. I have an account query, you can click on this, then he'll give you answer. If you have an ad query related query, click on this. If you have payment related query, you can click on this. I have any other query, click on this, and he will give you many options. On that you click, then you will get the answers solved on here. And after, most importantly, whenever you complete everything, go out to log out, and then click again this logout. That's why then your ads come daily nicely and clearly, because if you don't log out, the system is still working, so you have to log out from the system always, and next day again you have to log in and see the ads. If you have, this is the way that you can solve your problem. If ads are not coming, clear the history, clear the mobile data, all small things you do. If you have if you can go into you can change, go to India and that change what I have shown you in the video. You can increase or decrease that interest area also, then ads will start. This way ads will come. So try it and your problems will be solved. Thank you.